Today, there will be some casualties. Today is the day I am finally going through all of my kids' clothing and I'm going to minimize it. I don't know about you, but it is getting completely out of control how much laundry I have to do every single week. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. A part of me is wondering if this is really going to help. I have 2 toddlers and a son that just turned 6. And my 2 toddlers go through a lot of clothes, sometimes 3 a day, because they run outside, they play, they get dirty and messy, and that's okay. But it does produce a lot of laundry. What I'm going to do is give it my best shot, see if we can get this under control a little bit. I'm gonna go through all of their clothes they currently have in their closet, and I'm gonna take out 2 weeks worth of clothes. Everything else I'm going to put away. I do have 3 boys, so I do use hand-me-downs for sure. And I'm gonna see if this helps our laundry situation. Let's go. All right, so this is a view of Lucas and Logan's closet before we've decluttered their shirts. And this is just a little pile of coats and things that are already too small for them that I had previously separated out. Here you can see I'm starting on Logan's side of the closet and I'm taking out everything that's obvious that I know he doesn't need, like jackets that are still hanging up, a bunch of long sleeves, and I am choosing what we want to keep and what needs to go. So I did also have some items in the laundry, so everything I'm taking out isn't only what we're keeping, but it's probably about half of it to get started with. Next, I am moving on to a bin that we had pulled out of the garage. In this bag that I'm opening up is a bunch of 3T clothes that are hand-me-downs from Lucas, and I'm going through them and selecting what we can use for Logan right now. Some of these are from a different season, like winter, so I can't even use all of them right now, but some of them I'm going to take out and put in the closet for him to go ahead and start wearing since he's almost 3. Since Lucas and Logan have started sharing a room, I've started hanging up all of their shirts in the closet just to make enough space in the drawers for their pants, shorts, and pajamas. So here I'm just hanging up all of Logan's shirts and I'm going to put them back in the closet so they're all in one spot. Now, as you can see, I'm going through all of Logan's pants and shorts that are in the drawer. Like I said before, though, he does have some that are in the laundry. So I'm just pulling out the few pants that I want him to have on hand just in case. And I'm going to be adding more shorts to this pile as well. It felt so good to empty out this drawer under their bed. This was filled with shirts and shorts that were more for springtime, and I just had them under here for their warmer days during the winter since we do live in Florida, and we did use them occasionally. But now we're ready to empty this out because we can add this to the pile in the closet and in their drawers, and as you can see, it is now empty. Now I'm going through Lucas's side of the closet. He has so many nice button-ups, but he really doesn't use them all. So I had to take out some of them just so there wasn't so much excess, and then we can keep the ones that he really is going to wear. And the nice thing about doing this too is since our younger boys are going to be using these hand-me-downs, if we're pulling them out now and they're not getting used, they're just going to be in better shape for the younger ones when they do get to use them as well. Lucas definitely needs a bunch of shorts, but we're just going to keep a couple of his pants. Here I'm now going through all of Lucas's pajamas. He tends to always have an excess, which I don't know how that happens because he is really rough on the knees and he gets holes in them all the time. All right, now we are on to Wyatt's clothing. All of the clothes in this little pile right here I had pulled out of his closet. He had so many. He also has a whole bunch of really cute button-up shirts, and there's just no way he can really wear them all. He did wear most of them, and a lot of them were hand-me-downs. But yeah, he just does so many, as you can see here. He's actually outgrown the majority of everything that you see. So I kept a few to put back in his closet for him to wear, and I am just going through the rest of his clothes right here. These had come out of the laundry, and so a lot of these he is going to keep in his closet. You'll see me go through and pick out the ones that we're going to keep for him and then ones that we are going to be putting away. Everything that you see that's on hangers right now in the pile on the floor are all going to be put away. This pile of clothing I decided we don't need for right now, so we're going to save these. Okay, so we are almost done here. This is what I have to put away now that was in the laundry room. So I'm going to start with the pajamas over here. It's funny because I was actually worried that Wyatt wasn't going to have enough, but with that, it's 6 pajama outfits. So typically it'd be nice to have 7, but 6 is fine. Okay, next we have a bunch of shorts here. Let's see. Here We have pants. Look at all these shorts we have. We have so many already. Oh man. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think I am actually just going to keep all of them because I was saying it'd be nice to have, I think I said 2 weeks worth of clothing. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of pants, 10-ish, 11 pairs of shorts. I think that's good. Is that still too much? Let me know what you think. Actual shirt. 1, 2, 3. See, we have too much. Let's see. 4, 5. 12, 13, 14. Yeah, see, we have too many here. Okay. There we go. That's 14 pieces in there. And then I'm cheating a little bit because I'm going to hang these up and I'm going to show you right now what we have. Okay, so this is like for church. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is just like a little light jacket to keep him warm. So honestly, I don't even need these. It is nice to have collared shirts sometimes on hand, just in case I want to dress them up a little bit. I don't think I need it though, guys. I don't think, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to keep this blue one and take out that yellow one because I know that yellow one is a little bit small. He would have to like squeeze into it, so I'm going to trade it out. Okay, so this is what we have. We have 3 long sleeves and 3 short sleeves for church. A little sweater. This is a little jumpsuit my mom got him. Okay, so for Logan, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shirts so far. I don't love all of them though. I'm going to see what else we have over here. I'm going to grab, let's say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, look at that, 14. Okay, so that is 2 weeks worth. If we don't count, I don't know, I feel like it's nice to have long sleeves on the random days that you actually need them. And none of these are long. Oh, one of them is long sleeve. I'm going to pull this one out and replace it. We're winding down on their clothing selections. Here I'm just putting shirts on hangers that came out of the laundry room that I know that we want to still keep for them to wear. So now he has 14 regular shirts and then a couple of like church shirts here. All right, so this boy needs more pajamas. I have 2 sets right here. I gotta find the pants for these. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That matches with a shirt. 10 pairs of shorts. So that's actually, that goes here in the stock. These will go here. And just a couple pairs of pants. All right, so here you have it. This is a small pile of stuff of Wyatt's that I'm going to be putting away. This is a pile of Lucas's stuff I'm going to be putting away. And this is Logan's stuff that I am going to be putting away. And if it becomes an issue, if I need to access anything, I will have it for a little bit. Everything is just so much more cleared out. That feels like kind of a lot to me still. I may need to adjust this, but just imagine like how much it was before. This looks like a lot, but it's only 7 days worth. This is, I mean, they still have plenty. So it's actually a couple of days later, and I sat down to edit this video, and I just realized that I never actually ended it. It took me a few hours on and off to complete this project the other day when I did it, but I did get it all done in one day, and I wanted to give you an update that I'm actually loving them having less in their closets. It's way less chaotic and so much easier to stay on top of. So in case you're wondering, it's working out really well. I really hope that you are enjoying this content, are seeing the value in it, and are able to implement this into certain parts of your life. Let me know if you enjoyed this and if you plan on maybe minimizing your kids' clothes. If they have a bunch, I promise it will make your life easier for sure. So if you did like this video, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button if you are new, and I will see you again very soon. Bye. Today and not tomorrow.